So I'm making my way down the highway here, and there's actually a vehicle in front of me going a little bit slower. He's pulling a RV, and so I'm starting to pass all these slower moving vehicles, van, RVs, whatnot. And I notice behind me that this car is just kind of hauling ass up on me, but I'm going under the speed limit, so that's to be expected. And I see, okay, well, it's a state trooper, so okay, that's fine. I'm going under the speed limit. So finally, the RV in front of me moves over. I speed up to the speed limit to make my pass. And I've said it in the description of videos before, but I really don't care if people speed as long as it's not excessive and dangerous. What I do care about is the hypocrisy of someone speeding that's going to pull me over for going 1 mile over the speed limit. And yes, I have received a ticket for 1 mile over the speed limit. So now I make way. I'm going actually 1 mile over the speed limit here, and the state trooper just blows past me. Honestly, if I were to do that to him, he would have pulled me over and given me a ticket. And that's the hypocrisy that I want to point out.